Out here editing, uploading. Today I'm gonna do more than I did yesterday. Today we gotta do some stuff, guys, cause I haven't really been doing anything. You know what I mean? And that's my fault. Like, I just haven't been in the mood to do stuff. But today we're gonna get up, we're gonna go out, we're gonna do some stuff. Alright. If anything, I even just go take my truck for a wash just so I get out for a little bit. But yeah, we got a choir behind us.
Huh?
You don't know? Pinche choir local. You're singing or what way?
No.
You're practicing?
Yeah.
You're gonna try out for the band?
Hey, put this in the fridge, dude. Bro, you put them in the fridge too, dude.
Nah, I don't like them cold.
For real?
Yeah. Here's my tea. I'm serious. I have sensitive ass tea.
But they're not gonna be cold though. Like, they're not gonna be. Never mind.
They won't get frostbite?
Huh?
Nah, I can't.
Bro, Lubbock is like.
Bro, Lubbock's cool. I love Lubbock here.
I love it here too.
Bro, y'all know who I've been watching on YouTube lately? Look, check this shit out. Yo.
Because of who?
What do you mean because of who?
Because of who?
Because of me, bitch?
Oh, I thought you were gonna put Ninja. Oh,
Look at this shit. Yo, my mans makes like fucking huts and stuff out of nothing. Like out of fucking like sticks and grass.
That's something though. You can't
It's fucking crazy. Look, he does some shit out of mud. Out of mud. He's fucking insane.
Oh my God.
Bro, show me that you can do that.
I don't know.
Okay, don't act like it's nothing. It's fucking crazy.
You're acting like it's nothing too.
No, I'm acting like it's fucking crazy.
Well, that's how I responded too. It's crazy. I'm responding like you.
Nah. Man, it's just crazy, dog. Man, that's what I've been watching a lot. That's kind of all I've been doing. And playing Fortnite.
Fucking love it.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
Let's play a quick match.
Quick game?
No. So you thought?
Nah, you gotta do homework.
At 6 we play.
Alright. I'm gonna go eat right now. I'm gonna go get Sam's West. I'm thinking I'm gonna get Chick-fil-A. Bro, I'm trying to talk to the people. Nah, kidding. What are you trying to cook?
Nothing, I got it.
What are you trying to cook?
Nothing, go.
What are you trying to cook?
Oh shit. Where's the earthquake? It's pizza. I put a minute.
Pizza?
Yeah.
Like pizza? Oh, pizza.
Pizza.
I thought you meant like the warm-up ones.
Oh, I missed those.
Fuck yeah. Let's go to Gordon and eat some. Hit up Bryce. Tell him, hey, let us in. Yeah, guys, I'm just uploading this shit, processing. It's like a 3-minute video because I didn't do shit yesterday. But yeah, so hopefully it'll be done within like a minute or two. And then I'm gonna go eat and make it public. And yeah, then I'll check in with y'all in a little bit. Alright, so y'all stay tuned. Cracking camera does not bypass.
Okay, I'm just waiting for the key. Please bear with me. For calling Samsung, and we appreciate your business. Bye for now.
Bye, thank you. Chatos. Chatos. Hey! Hey! Hey!
What?
Should I do a vlog in 360 today?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, here. Let's go ahead and transition them.
Put it in the middle of your room.
What's up, guys? Just like that. Just like that, we in 360, pa.
Bro.
Just like that, we in
Open our
360.
YouTube channel and just keep. What's up, guys? This is my YouTube channel.
Damn, look, this is 2 for 1 right here, buddy. We're out here playing Fortnite. He's out here studying. Woo! Damn, what you looking at? Calculus or what?
What?
You're looking at calculus?
What?
You're doing calculus?
Yeah.
Damn. Let's go ahead and change this shit.
Nice.
Bro, out here in 360, you see this shit? This is the front. This is around like the sides. So the other side is the back. Hell out here. I'm gonna go ahead and vlog in 360 today. Hopefully y'all enjoy. Hopefully it looks alright. I'm gonna try and edit it and everything so it looks fine. I think I'm gonna do the 2 cameras, like the 2 separate ones rather than one, because I don't like the way the whole one looks like. It gets a little confusing, at least for me. So I assume for y'all too. So I'm gonna go ahead and do just the 2 different cameras. So on this side it's gonna be the one facing me, on this side it's gonna be the one facing the other way. And so what y'all see on the sides of that is the peripherals of everything. What y'all see on the left side is facing me. What y'all see on the right side is facing the other way. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and hop on this Fortnite, and then let's get today started. Get it started off right. I'm gonna go eat a little bit because I still haven't yet, so I need to. But yeah guys, hope we all enjoy this video today. It's something different and good change.
What do you hate?
Nah, I'm gonna go get something to eat, and then I'll be right back. Alright, buddy, shake my hand. Alright, I'll see you right now, Pops. I'm gonna go take a piss, and I'm gonna go get something to eat, and then probably watch a movie or something, and then I'm gonna start doing homework a little later, so I'm not up all night doing it, cause that'll suck. Bro, why don't we ever turn on our black lights anymore? Turn yours on?
I can't.
Yo, we back. We about to eat good or what, Gina Lee? Huh? We about to eat good? What you gonna eat over here? Fatso. Fatso. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and eat, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day, but I'll figure it out. Alright? Alright then. I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning my room a little bit, and also start doing homework. So let's go ahead and start doing that, because I need to clean up, because I got a mess all around a little bit. And Julian's side, his is alright, but he left all the shit out. And for mine, I got a mess. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that, and then I'm starting my homework. I'll get some small footage of me cleaning the stuff for y'all, but yeah. I actually probably do that with my other camera, so I don't have one y'all just facing me and the other one facing like the wall or something, you know what I mean? So let me switch. Alright, just like that, we're switched and ready to start filming. So let's go ahead and start cleaning actually.
Would be so much better with cheddar. Only work as hard as I do for vendetta, cause my ninth graders never better gotta eat raw. Bitch, I bet I be the place I said I'll be. Legendary like no ID, you know I be ducking every hoe I see.
Guys. Alright guys, and just like that, I finished straightening up a little bit. It doesn't look perfect, but it looks better than the way it did before. It's pretty quick. Now I'm gonna just chill out and start up some homework in a little bit. You already got everything set right there, so I'm gonna have to start. I have a lot actually, but it's not due for a while, so I have a good amount of time to do it all, but it is a lot. So eventually I do have to get started and finish it. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna knock out a little bit of things on everything, so I don't start feeling like once I complete something I'm like, fuck, I still have to do this. So I make a little bit of progress on everything, so that way when the deadlines come, I can start knocking them out one by one by one. You know what I mean? That'll make it a lot easier for me. Like that's how what works for me. I know other people it's better just to complete one whole thing at one time and then complete the next thing. For me, it works better if I complete like a little bit of everything like as I go, so I don't get tired of one topic. You know what I mean? A lot of times I'll get frustrated with one subject and I'll move on to the other, so I have like a new set of patience for that subject. You know what I mean? Because then you stick to one thing, you start to get frustrated with it if you can't figure it out. Like, you know, so that works for me. Yeah, so figure out what works for y'all and do that. But that works for me. Try it out if y'all want, and let me know how it works for y'all. But yeah, that's what works for me. Do y'all see me sing myself as you see me through that side and through this side singing myself? Isn't that crazy? But yeah, so how y'all liking this 360 camera? Comment down below what y'all think. I like it a lot actually, so whether y'all like it or don't, like I'm gonna be using it here and there. But yeah, it's just a little weird to use it because I can't see what I'm recording, and also you see everything. So like the thing about like editing and using like one camera is you can manipulate what you see. Like, so I can decide what y'all are gonna see and what y'all aren't. With this one I can't. Y'all see everything, you know what I mean? So say Julian's side is fucked up, I can be like, oh, let me show you my side's clean. But with this one, y'all see that his side isn't as clean. Like, you know what I mean? So, like, it's different. Like with the camera you can manipulate stuff. With two cameras you kinda can't. So yeah, but I mean I like it and I'm gonna keep on using it. So yeah, I might not use it every vlog, but I'll switch it up here and there just so it doesn't get so repetitive, because I know I've been using the same camera for the past like 16-17 days. So yeah, but this vlog's gonna be going back and forth between those two, just because I started out the day with that camera over there and today I'm continuing with this one. But for the cleaning it was easier to film with that one. Fuck, got the burp, got you. But for the cleaning, it was easier to film with that one just because I didn't want y'all to be facing a wall on one side and seeing what I'm doing in the other. You know what I mean? I thought that was like a little fucked up, so I'll just show you the full thing of the wall. You know, I mean, the full thing of me cleaning rather than the wall and me cleaning. Yeah, guys, I hope y'all enjoying. I don't really have much plans besides other than do homework and let me see if see what I got planned later. But yeah, I'll take you along with me regardless of whatever I do. I just had like a little date with Dab, and now I'm chilling. I'm gonna go ahead and watch some Netflix. Julian's trashed and slumped, so I'm gonna go ahead and watch him for a little while, make sure he's alright. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope y'all leave a like if y'all did enjoy it. Leave a dislike if you didn't. Let me know why in the comments below. Thank y'all for everything. Thank you for all the overwhelming support. Let me know what y'all thought of this 360 video vlog. Alright guys, yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow morning.
Wasting all of this time.